There is greatness within you. There is unlimited potential within you. Hi, Sabine Quenberg here, author of Unlock Your Full Potential. Today, I want to talk about the process that we have to do in order to unlock that potential that is within each one of us. And you know what they say, things that are easy to do are also easy not to do. So I invite you today to be open and listen to the framework that I used and my clients are using to really help them to bring out the potential that they are. Number one, clarity. You have to have a clear vision of your goals and the results that you want to achieve. Because if you don't, you are like a ship without a captain, and wherever the wind blows is where you go. But the question is that really where you want to go? So clarity is the first thing. And then number two, you have to make a decision to do it. You have to make a decision to go through the process so that you are able to reach your goals, so that you are able to live the life that you imagine for yourself. And once you've done that, that tells your subconscious mind, hey, okay, I will do it. I'll work whatever I need to do to get there. And you make a promise to yourself. And we hate, not following through to our promises, especially to ourselves. So that is step number two. Then number three is, of course, you have to set your goals. And if we let out that process, then we can forget. What we need to do is really have a process in place, how to set it, which is actually point number 4, which is the SMART goal formula that I am using. And you've heard it before. It stands for specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time sensitive. And then number 5, our thoughts. They are crucial. And if we are not aware of how powerful our thoughts are, how powerful our subconscious mind is, we can be derailed very quickly. And we don't even know it. We don't even realize it. We might have great intention, but if our thoughts do not reflect it, then we might give up earlier. So that is a very crucial part, because thoughts become things. And number 6, your why. Of course, you perhaps already heard it. If your why is big enough, you're more likely to follow through. And we go into detail. In my book, I really go into detail what the why really is and why it's important to have a big why. Number 7, that's also a big one, your habits. What is a habit? A habit is something that we do without thinking about it anymore. And it is very hard to just let go of old habits thinking, well, that's not a good one, so I let go of it. You have to replace it with a good one. And there is a process to it. And we're going to replace it with those habits that are leading you to your desired outcome. Goals are important. And if you set it the right way and you have the habits in place, then they will guide you to your goals, to your end results. And then number 8, you have to have a plan in place. And there is a process how to put the plan together to get where you want to go. Number 9, that is what I call where we have to put faith into the process. Faith is something that we don't see yet. We have to believe that we are able to do it. We have to trust in the process that will get us there. That's what faith is. And also trust that there will be unseen forces that will assist you. Yes, you will be amazed when what I'm going to share with you, how amazing that can be. And then the last step, my step number 10, is a 90-day challenge. All right, so here is what I'm going to do. Because I had a lot of people lately asking me, Sabine, you talk about unlock your full potential, and I get it. I get it that I have that potential within me, but how can I really do it? So I put together a free seminar, a free masterclass for you that I am conducting this upcoming Thursday. And there's a link in the description that you can click for more details and to register for that free workshop, for that free masterclass, where I will dive deeper into all those 10 steps to help you unlock your full potential. So go ahead and click that link right now. And if you feel there is somebody else that you think would really enjoy it, share this video, share this link. And as always, leave me a comment. Put in the comment section, what is it that you struggle the most? Or perhaps a question that you have for this topic. Until I see you again, always remember, serve from the heart, follow your passion, and become the person that you are meant to be, so you can live the life you are destined to live.